one, is there a more efficient way to create content rather than just posting on the fly? And I would say absolutely. One is batch. I did that this week myself. So I'm creating a lot of reels in Instagram. Right now, Instagram is rewarding reels. I'm not always in the mood to show up on camera and be silly or, go face to face and like be creative. When I am, and I try to do a dedicated day a week, that's when I crank out all of my social media content. That allows me then on the fly in the moment when I want to show up on stories or I want to move something around, I can, but I don't feel then the pressure to do that when I don't have time. So batch content, especially things like video or even writing out your captions or posting your things, do it. And I would recommend either do it for the week or do it for the month, leaving space for that live content. The second one is using the approach that we use in the Simply Social membership, and that's the Libs Caption. So we write captions for certain categories, and I'm going to give you a great worksheet to help you with that. And then there's space to customize and make it your own. So you can build your own Google Doc with these kind of captions, and then you can modify every single month. If you want to take the easiest route, the third recommendation is, I would say, find a great vendor partner. And to me, Simply Social is one of the best. Yes, we created it, but I'm not biased. It was created for multifamily. You get 40 plus caption templates that you literally, with one button, you copy and you paste it into your scheduling tool, and then you modify the things to make it your own. So there's a few spaces to add descriptors, to add your community name, contact info, and little particulars that make the post uniquely yours. Then there's 100 plus graphics that are already created for multifamily housing, and they're specific to the categories that you want to post about. So you just grab that template, make it your own, and then pick the image that works. So even if you don't go with Simply Social, I don't want you guys spending so much time trying to find the right graphic or creating a bunch of graphics. That's time consuming. This is just one part of your marketing. You cannot let social media completely dictate and take over the entire month. You really can get it down to a science. We joke with our members that really, if you were hardcore about it, you could plan out your entire month in an hour with Simply Social by copying the captions, loading the graphics, and then again, allowing that room to do the live in the moment stuff. With that said, great scheduling tools out there, Smarter Queue, Meet Edgar, which we love. Let's see, Hootsuite's another one. But now within the platforms, you can also schedule for Facebook and Instagram. So, again, the more you can do in the platform, the better, because the platform rewards loyalty.